Let me get the focus here. Focus check. Alright. And you are watching the Sense of Wonder YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. And this is an update on the stained glass night. This is the last we've seen it. I had placed all the glass. It's looking pretty good. But there's a couple of things now that need to be done next. And I'm going to show you. Like this, all these pieces here are lead. And that's soft and malleable. And not that particularly strong. So what usually happens with the stained glass window is you put this zinc around it, and that gives it strength. And I ran out of zinc. See, I got a piece here. I mean, I could make that piece, but I don't want. I want to have a full piece. So I bought some more zinc. So the next thing I'll be doing is, placing that and then finishing it up, and then the whole thing is kind of physically completed. And then from there, the next step will be, and I got this special soldering pencil here. Can you see that? High wattage special soldering pencil for stained glass. See, and it's got this special, I have a soldering pencil for electronics, but this one, see, it's got that special extra large tip for stained glass, and the temperature goes higher, so I will be able to solder all these joints that need soldering, including the zinc. Everything gets soldered up and it'll be strengthening it all. And while I'm doing that, because it is lead, I got a special soldering fan. This is a filter, a smoke absorber and filter for soldering. So I can place that, near the work while I'm soldering, and the fumes actually will be pulled right in there for safety, and that's a big thing. And there was another thing. Oh, then these windows have to all be grouted. Grout is a special stained glass grout that gets pushed under all the lead, makes it really strong, seals it all. And then I will finish it up, hopefully, by painting it. See if you can see here. Our night has a lot of, there's a lot of paint. And there's a couple of different ways to do it. And there's a professional way where all the glass is painted and then it's actually with special paints, and then it's baked in an oven. I'm not going to do that. I mean, that's kind of beyond my skill level, I guess. But I did buy special glass paint for stained glass, and I'll be painting all of this up, and that'll be a challenge. And what I'm going to do is, I'm probably going to, for some of this work, the soldering and the painting, I'm actually going to use some of my scraps. Here's just a little bit, but making this window, I ended up with a lot of scraps of glass. So what I'll probably do is just make up some kind of a little window or a project, and that way I can practice and get better at all of these different things. At the soldering, at the painting, I'll paint, and so I can get familiar with how it all works, and improve and get better at it, and that'll be it. And then I have more plans. I'm going to mount this actual window in a door and backlight it, and we'll see how it all goes. So stay tuned. This is coming up, and the next to be coming up will be the zinc and the soldering. Thanks. And I'm already been thinking about the next stained glass window. I think you're going to enjoy that one too.